I'm so excited to be involved in this project because, of course, the community is the lifeblood to the artists. And so when you get to give back to the community that's poured so much into you in such a real way, it's always beautiful and great to see and great to be a part of. I love creating events that are fueled by the community. I always learn something and always take something away. And Unison, that's what it's all about. It is a very intentional and incredible merging of design, language, and song rolled all into one in an effort to educate, archive, and tell the stories of Miami's history, and also talk about how we unify under that history, how we unify under those creative practices. And it is through us merging our works together, merging our practices together under one common thread that the community then gets to see how they can merge together, how they can create a communal threading of their own. It's all about us connecting. It's about us creating together. It's about us seeing utopia today.
Learn more about free art making workshops this summer and the final performance on June 24th. Reserve your spot online at vizcaya.org/unison. That's YOUNISON.